Hausa fi marry Igbo girl. Odogwu and Aisha. Aisha tom tom. Odogwu. Aisha tom tom. This love is sweet. Odogwu boo boo is in love for you with his fine fine baby oh. Aisha Aisha fine well. She get everything where Odogwu boo boo they like. This love they was serious oh. I like to say one like I like. Odogwu boo boo. You know
Aisha too. Why Yoma? Kado kime? How is the boo-boo?
Odogwu is fine, baby. Let him find him.
You know the gist. You got plenty gist today.
This girl, you feel like gist.
Oh my own nasa.
Onye ka nna anu onu ya ifa. Onye ka nna anu onu ya ifa. Onye a na-eli ije onye nwe olu n'Ọkịja.
Odogwu
Nwanza n'ihi ala. Ọta dị ebube.
Anụ a na-agba egbe na-ekiri ukwu nwa.
Papa nko. Keke mme.
Udo dịkwa.
Ị na-enweta onwe gị. This man that you are wearing face mask.
My brother. My brother, these days, you know these days, okwa maka ndị nji ụgwọ.
So you mean face mask is no more for protecting for disease. It's not for people where they owe.
My brother, for this time now, everybody what they see for my side now, everybody is wearing face mask. Many of them are owing me.
So does that mean that somebody can carry your wife and pass you with face mask? You don't go know.
Even your girlfriend though. They will just pass you will not know. Even your girlfriend. But this time around, anybody that passes me with this face mask, I have to open it if it's a woman. For me to know Onye can come out.
You can't give me a question whether I don't want
Onye can my brother, everything is fine. No.
Oh, I don't enjoy that.
Waiting man go do now. We don't do now. Waiting man go do. My God.
Why? Why not selling? Why not selling? Kimona, you have entered to gossip with your friend now. I heard you went to Abuja.
You know, my sister gave birth and my mom is not around, so I have to go and do Omugo for her.
And the thing comes through for your body well. Abuja be easy. Hey! One link your name on Okija.
Odogwu.
You are doing a very nice job.
Don't.
What an ever.
Oh, yeah.
Aisha Mbone, no? Aisha, my tamamu. What is it? Are you alright?
I'm fine.
What is it? Talk to me. What is it? Keyo.
I told you that I'm fine.
Odogwu. She says she's fine now. Why are you disturbing her? She's fine. What's going on with all the fine?
Come. Aisha, come and tell me what is it. My mom, come. Come now. Oh? Come and talk to me. What is it? William? Yeah, come. Oh? Carry forward. Come and tell me what is it. Yeah? Come. My tamamu. What is it now? Talk to me. What is it? Carry forward. What is it?
Well, when I heard Kim, she mentioned that her sister should give birth. I immediately remember my cousin sister that gave birth and her baby, she lost the baby.
Is that why you're moving all of a sudden? Call it. Come, Sole. God that gave you the first one will bring another one. Oh. Stop being angry now. Oh, are you still in a bad mood?
I will try to forget it.
Please, as we go out there, just try to light up yourself. You know, I don't like seeing you angry now. It makes my brain go bra 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 bra. Oh, yes. God will give your cousin sister another baby. Oh, my tamamu. I chat to mo. Ozgo, ngwabia. Bia. Hope I did not waste your time. Today we find you. Even know why.
But Odogwu, I hope all is well.
All is well. All is well. There's no problem. There's no problem.
I think today is this match. I think they have this match. Chelsea,
Liverpool. Oh, Kedifena. 30 minutes to go. We watch them now.
Let
me even check whether they've said analysis.
Wait, why are you disturbing me now? Why are you shaking your head? Like deaf and dumb? What is your problem? You got to shake your head like deaf and dumb. What's your problem now?
What's your problem? Why are you shouting? Can't you understand sign language? Can't you code?
Which sign language? Irugo or Blackboard I now understand sign language. Please, if you want to talk and stop all this.
Why are you shaking your head now? See, calm on down.
Are you not here?
Oga Bubu, this your friend is so clueless. Extremely clueless. You need to teach him how to understand a woman properly. What's even wrong with you? Why are you shouting?
Nemanya, don't ever try that with me. Nemanya can work now. What's your problem?
So you want to know, right? Since you want to know, I was trying to tell you that I need to go home and change my pad. Now I've told you.
What is there now? You would have said it now, shaking your head like Onyowi. What is the problem there to change your pad? You just say it now. Abba.
Oh yeah, microphone loud. Loud it!
Hey, what's going on?
Aisha, listen.
Kill you go.
Come and drive me. Come and drive me.
Kill, calm down. Bring.
Mama, I'm change your pad.
Ozugo.
Grow up now.
Biko, Ozugo.
Odogwu call the Biko.
Hi, it's your friend. That's why you invite him. Hi.
My brother. Mali, your friend.
It get why, pa. It get why.
You get the why.
You want to continue, ma?
Osupage.
Aisha, this love is sweet.